Good mornings and salutations, y'all. Today we got a special edition of vintage old Zildjian cymbals that we are going to repair today. Now, to show you what kind of cymbal this is, let's see if we can find the badge. It's right here. Now, as you can tell, it has the old cymbal marking, and it says A Zildjian and CIE Constantinople, made in the USA. Now what that means, it means Zildjian was partnership with Gretsch around the 60s, and then Zildjian just started making these alongside with Gretsch drums and all that lingo. But as you can tell, there's a crack going around the edge right here. We're gonna fix this baby up. Let's give it a little sound test before we do. Sounds a little bit shaky to me, like it's kind of nervous. Let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian. The vintage Zildjian, as you can tell, has a little old stamp on it. Can't cancel double, whatever it means. But it does sound pretty nice. Let's give it a little sound test to see how the repair was dealt. Butter. I don't know about y'all, but that sounds pretty good to me.